Hello everyone, welcome back. Today it's a very small tip video where I'm sharing a tip how you can use small pieces of elastic. One of you had asked me how best these small pieces can be used, so this is how I use it and you can also utilize this method. What you can do is you can join these smaller pieces from the sides, because many times we have many small pieces which are of no use rather than throwing them away. So we can join them from one side, make the joint firm, stronger, neat by making a top stitch, and then we can check its length. Whatever length we want, we can make it as longer as we want it, and then accordingly we can check the length that we want and we can use it for pajamas, kids dresses, for ruffled sleeves or necklines, or for any purpose that we want a longer elastic. So this is the simple method how you can use smaller pieces. And this is how I use smaller pieces of elastic. Let me know how did you like this method, and if you already have your own methods to use it, please share it in the comment section. So stay subscribed, press the bell button so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, goodbye.